In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redesign a Wix website. Redesigning your site can breathe new life into it and reflect any changes in your business or creative direction. So, let's get started and explore the process together. First things first, navigate to the homepage of Wix.com. Here, you'll find all the essential elements you need to access your website dashboard and make changes. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it in a while. Now, from this landing page, simply click on the site you wish to edit. This will open up your website's dashboard, giving you an overview of all the available options for customization. Alternatively, another way to get started is by clicking on Site Actions from the Wix dashboard. This provides a convenient drop-down menu, giving you quick access to key functions related to your website. With these preliminary steps complete, take a closer look at your options. Here, you're faced with a choice. Either create a new site altogether or redesign your existing one. If you're happy with your domain and basic setup, you might find it easier to simply redesign what's already there. If you're set on redesigning, click on Design Site. This will guide you to the Wix editor, where the real creative magic happens. Once in the editor, you'll want to click on Add Elements. This feature is crucial as it allows you to insert new design components that can transform the look and feel of your site. For a visual refresh, let's focus on images next. Click on Image within the Elements menu. This allows you to upload new visuals or choose from Wix's library, ensuring your website's imagery matches the new design aesthetic you're aiming for. From here, it's all about creativity and exploring the features at your disposal. As you proceed with adding elements, remember that each component, whether it's text, images, or other multimedia, should align with the overall theme and purpose of your website. Keep in mind that balance and cohesion are key. Wix's editor provides a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to experiment with different layouts and styles. Don't hesitate to play around with the placement of elements and try various configurations until you find a layout that feels right. Lastly, don't forget to save your work frequently as you go. This ensures nothing is lost in case of a technical hiccup, and you maintain a record of your redesign progress. Once you're satisfied with the changes, preview your site to see how it will appear to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of redesigning your Wix website. Remember, a well-designed website not only captures the essence of your brand, but also engages your audience effectively. Enjoy your new site look, and thanks for watching.